Hello. Today is January 29th, 2025. This is SIG Node CI weekly meeting. Welcome, everybody. Okay, I will share my screen now. Should be able to see it. So yeah, first item was already taken care of before the meeting, and also have a new face. Simon, at least I don't remember seeing you in this meeting. If you want to introduce yourself quickly.
Sure. My name is Simon. I'm just a Kubernetes hobbyist, and I'm just trying to learn as much as I can through listening. So nice to see everyone. I've joined here a few times before.
Okay, sorry for not noticing it before. Maybe I did, but I forgot. My memory is working this way. So yeah, you asked about permissions for this document. If you join this group, you will get permissions to the agenda document. Yeah, paste it to the chat. So if you want to get some agenda items added, I will edit it for you this time.
Thanks.
Okay. So this is done. I will take care of it. It seems to be some cleanup things. I will take a look. Now, is there any other agenda item today? And also another question, does anybody wants to drive any part of this meeting? I see Anish joined.
Yeah, I can do the bugs triaging
Okay.
after them. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah.
Thank you. Okay, I will deal with tests. Let's take a look at, first, I will start with the project board first. I already started cleaning it before the meeting, but I didn't clean it up to the end. So let's review together. Oops. Okay, so yeah, this is a flaking test. It's SIG network, but I think they asked SIG node opinion or something. Yeah. So somehow one of the container starts and then stops rather quickly, and they're asking why it happens, and maybe we can have some opinion on this. Is anybody interested to take a look? Okay. Yeah, we need to find somebody to help with this.
Yeah, can you add a CC me? I can take a look.
Thank you. Yeah, I hope it's something simple and easy. And Antonio already get to some of it. I will move it to in progress then. And I pinged Chris about this. Chris said that he will take a look, so I will also move it in progress. We need to have some plan to migrate to Containerd 2.0, and I'm very excited. Pod extended container status should now report start. Okay, another flake. Okay, interesting. So based on test title, I haven't looked inside. It says that container status being reported when a init container failed. Yeah, that is not expected. Oh, Peter, good luck with waterline. Okay. Let me see if nobody on this call wants it. I will ask Kunju. Maybe Kunju have any idea? Yeah, it's still flaking sometimes. I can do issues to do because I can't assign to Kunju without his knowledge. Okay, this one is already merged. Pull Kubernetes ETV kind event flags failing. Okay, so evented flag test failing. Okay, so the fix happened. Now they're waiting for. Okay, it's already accepted. Since evented flag is just alpha, I would not make it important soon. So important long term should be good enough. It's already assigned. Is it working on it? Wait. Looks like they're working on it, so what's happening with GitHub? GitHub doesn't like me. Okay. Okay, next one. Another flake. Another container life cycle. Regular container says please stop hook when a regular container fails. Allowing is proof when pod terminating because line fails. Oh. If somebody wants to take a look, this is great. Yeah, it's flaking a lot.
I can take a look.
Okay, Bartosz. But there is another person already
Okay.
self-assigned.
Okay.
If you prefer, I can CC you.
Yeah, just see me. Thanks.
Okay. So CC because Matthias was looking into pod termination for sidecars. I don't think it's related, but he was looking into this code. Okay. I need to move it out of triage. Okay, seamless driver upgrades. I think it's a product code. Reduce the number of processes used in E2E to prevent unexpected Okay, the same person who self-assigned previous bug working on long-standing PID eviction issue. Okay, but the fix didn't work, it seems. Okay. Okay, waiting on answer. JSON patch. Yeah, it seems to be just code organization issue touching everybody. Support multiple alpha features.
It's assigned to me already, so you can just move it.
Okay.
Yeah,
Oh,
progress
it's
a bit. Mm.
Okay. You can ping me if it looks good. Oh, Patrick can actually approve it, right? No.
Yep.
No, he cannot. But
No.
yeah.
Okay, I'll CC you or ask in there.
Okay.
If yep.
Promote beta CI job to release information informing. Yeah. Let's do it. Okay. And this image bump, is it from previous PR as well? Do you know if this image bump needed? I can ask in the PR, but
Well, there is an issue with this because I had to disable verification of this job generation because this robot that actually changes image links, it's not like it doesn't know anything about like this templating and all this stuff. So I'm going to fix it, but
okay. So this is fine to have.
yeah, I think so. I should probably look. Templating changes look okay, but I'm not sure about the images. But I'm working on it, so I will look at this bug as well.
Okay, so if this template change, like why we didn't change it here? Oh, actually, it does much. Oh, I think a robot updated this automatically, and then you need to basically bring the template up to the.
Yeah, looks
Okay.
like this is the case. Yeah.
That makes sense then. Release master inform. Okay. Done with all of this. Yeah, I didn't move this too because I basically will. Yeah, they will just merge and we don't need to move them. Okay, let's take a look at test grid. Okay, just small flake here. I mean, flaky test, like, yeah, a little bit of flake. Cannot even see. Same. Okay, this is interesting. Fine-grained authentication. All the tests just broke. I mean, I know it just promoted to beta. So, into okay, I will self-assign it in pink. I think it's Vinay who was doing it. Yeah, because it's just updated to beta. So it's either test configuration is incorrect and it picked up the test it's not supposed to. Yeah, you see it just started when we merged it. Okay. And same here. I think container D. Yeah, again, very small flake here. Like flake of whole job is not running basically. I wonder what happens. Yeah, it just whole job is not running. I think we can fix it. C2 was not running for a while. Ask Teams if some configuration is incorrect. Razik, yes. Yeah, they are basically failing right now. Okay, what is this? This node ET features 1.6. Yeah, first we have the same health scene point. We have the security context. What happened with this? Okay, it was failing for a while. Now it's not even running. Well, I think it was Kevin changing some configuration, so this should be fine. Kevin was fixing some feature tags, and I think it matches the timeline. Yeah, a couple week back. Yeah, if it will continue, if it will reappear, it will be a problem. But I think it's just a mismatch of configuration of a test job, and Kevin was fixing it. Okay. Cryo. Okay. So this is broken on many configurations. Same. This is different. Oh yeah, same test failing, but we also have another failure. Sidecar started failing. So on the evented flag, sidecar container started failing. Yeah, I don't know whose fault it is, and it started a couple days back. Yeah, I'm not aware of any changes in evented flag. I will need to file bug. Okay, DRA on C group V1. Okay, just started today. Do you know any changes happened in DRA recently?
No, I didn't see anything merged, but you can CC me or assign me if there is a bug about it, or
I will
I will
probably need
look
to
at it
file a bug.
anyway.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Seems to have failed before from time to time, but oh no, it was green. It was green and failed once, and then now it's more of a persistent failure. Okay, it's fine. DRA. Why did you have DRA in cryo? C group 1, DRA, and cryo all together. Okay, so this is the same, right? C group 1, DRA, cryo. Yeah, I think maybe it's the same job even.
Yeah, it's essentially the same job, just pull job and CI
Okay.
jobs, that they're identical almost.
Okay, and this test is also, this is just Canary test. Something is not working. But it's haven't run for a while. So I think maybe it's a pre-submit.
I think it's some ongoing work, and this is how it should be. So it should be started with Canarians, because we don't
Okay.
want to break anything, even pull jobs. So that's
Okay.
expected.
Makes sense. Same. Identity alpha features. Ubuntu and start. Okay. I'll check on this. Okay. I think we're done with test part. Anish, do you want to take over?
Oh, yeah, sure. Okay, yeah, first bug, compress log pod log files, default to 644 permissions. When the pod logs rotate and get compressed, the gzip file defaults to the permission of 644 with the directory set to 755. This allows the logs to be world readable at that point. Hmm. Yeah. Yeah, it feels like a fair ask, but does anyone have an opinion?
Do they have the same permissions as uncompressed logs? If it's the case, then I think it's okay. But if it's different, they probably should have the same permissions.
Okay. Yeah, next one. Unable to use Kubernetes service cluster IP with IPN gap or IPN IP. This looks like SIG network probably. Um,
Yeah, it looks like SIG network.
mm, there is no way to remove this from
I mean, you
the
can.
from it.
You need to go to the
Just
board itself and remove from the board.
oh, okay.
I can do it. You can go to the next one.
So yeah, I marked it as. Yeah, evented plague should detect resize completion rapidly. Evented plague should detect completion of resize in the runtime as rapidly as generic plague. Generic plague holds container resources in the runtime at resizing a pod so that it detects resize completion rapidly. This poll is actuated when generic flag relists pods regularly. Evented flag depends on generic flag for this polling. When evented flag is enabled, generic flag relists for every 5 minutes. Okay. So for evented flag, it takes almost 5 minutes till pod resize appears to be completed in the API server. Yeah, I think this looks like a fair ask. Yeah, I'll go through bugs under need information now. Incorrect application of the initial delays second. Okay, no update here. Kubelet calls pod unready when stop kubelet, sleep 40 seconds, start kubelet. Okay. This looks like it's part of kind support. Um, think um, yeah, I think we're probably waiting for them to test on newer version. I'll go to the next bug. Kubelet evented like panic when using generic flag relisting. Okay, no update here. Kubelet should enforce that static pods do not reference other API object. Hmm. Does anyone have opinion for this? I think we have all the information here. Um, yeah, yeah, it looks like Jordan is suggesting we should fix this validation, but keep it behind a feature flag. Uh,
Yeah, if it's we can triage accepted because it seems to be the real bug.
Oops. Pod dot status dot pod IP not updated during post start lifecycle hook. Yeah, when using a post start lifecycle hook, the pod dot status dot pod IP is not updated while the hook is running, even though the pod has been assigned an IP via the CNI plugin and the networking is set up. This looks like a very old issue. Uh,
Yeah, I have a feeling we fixed some related issue. Can you ask Antonio, like in the comments, asking like, is it still an issue? I'm pretty sure we fixed some pod IP removal and termination, so maybe it was related.
Also, it looks like this might be
Oh
a
yeah,
bug.
we can actually remove it from here. Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, he removed it from our project. Ephemeral storage used over requested. Okay, no dates since last week. Some pods get stuck in container creating status after being replaced by another pod.
Yeah, we just triaged it last week, it seems.
Okay. Kubelet not able to reclaim memory from buffer cache and complains memory pressure and affecting pods. Uh, okay, yeah, no date. We don't have a repro for this. Hmm.
Is it still assigned on Harsha? Or
Let me check. Yes.
yeah, maybe you can ask if he's still working on it.
Align by socket not working when pod using multiple GPU card. I'm using an AI application. Okay. Okay, looks like this is triage accepted. Kubelet restart causes running pod restart when unexpected admission error when pods have init containers and external devices like GPU. Yeah, I think we have seen this before. Okay. Yeah, looks like this person said that the logic has not changed, so it should be reproducible on newer version as well. Yeah, I'll keep this as needs information to see if we can get a reproduce. script to reproduce this issue. Kubernetes node health check issue. Kubelet is unable to read logs from pods. Okay, yeah, we have a repro script for this. Oh, disk malfunction will returns error. Log operations within the pod will fail. If the remote storage service does not respond, log operation within the pod. Yeah, Sergey, do you have any opinion here?
Yeah, it's since it's known issue, what we asked is if there is any other thing when besides the NFS detach when it happens. Because if it's just NFS detach, we know that's a problem, and there is not a lot of products that can work with this scenario. So most of the services just hang, same way as Kubelet will hang.
Okay. Should I yeah, mark this as accepted? Or
I mean, it's working as expected.
yeah. Okay. Mhm. Okay. I'll move to the next one then. Pod with restart policy never stuck in pending state after VM reboot. Um,
Yeah, I think perhaps it's better to retest it because we have refactored. And last time they checked it.
mhm.
So I think perhaps we can propose to redo the test now with the latest release.
Okay. Oh, this is triage accepted as well. Okay.
Yeah, we have only 3 minutes left.
Yeah.
So maybe we can stop now.
I have added in the agenda one PR, like if I mean if someone has time to take it again. I think Bartosz, he has reviewed it.
Where did you put it?
129.714. It's the
Okay,
third
got
one.
it.
The third bullet.
Got it. Okay, I'll take a look.
Thanks.
Thank you. Have a great rest of your day. Bye bye, everybody.
Thank you.